Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am all ready and set to get my own facial at home, especially now with the whole coronavirus thing. I think it's very safe to do your own facial at home. So today I'm going to be using the all new Pond's facial kit. Now this one I've got is the vitamin brightening facial kit. During the winters my skin tends to get a little bit dry and it tends to look very dull, so I wanted something that could brighten it up and give me that nice glow. So I went for this kit, and as you can see, this kit comes with 6 products for 6 different steps. So this kit comes for rupees 300 and it claims to last up to 3 facials. So it's like 100 rupees per facial, which I think is super affordable. So the most important thing when you're getting a facial is the technique and the type of massage you give your skin. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So the first step is to deeply cleanse your skin. Dot that all over my face like that. It's a nice creamy cleanser. Very gently, whenever you're massaging your skin or cleansing your skin, you want to be very gentle. So just touch the surface of your skin and go ahead in circular motions like this using my fingertips, and try to get all of that gunk, dirt out of your skin. If it starts to dry up, just take some water and make it slippery again. So it should be like sliding. Your finger should just be sliding on your face. And now I'm going to go in and cleanse my neck as well. So I do this cleansing step for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm just taking this warm washcloth and I am gently going to wipe all of that cleanser out. As you can see, the little bit of makeup that I had is gone. My skin feels very nice and clean. So step number 2 is to exfoliate the skin and removing all of that dead skin cells which is sitting on top of your skin. So step number 2, we have got the scrub, and it comes in this really cute tube, very easy to use. Once again, you want to wet your face with some water. Again, you want to go in small circular strokes, and the scrub particles in this, it's very fine. So it does not feel very coarse or very hard on the skin. I really like to work that scrub on my chin as well as on the sides of my nose and the tip of my nose, because these are the areas where I do have a bit of textured skin, and also I get a bit of whiteheads and blackheads. You can go ahead and scrub your face for about 4 to 5 minutes, but at any time if you feel that your skin is getting red, then you can stop. So if you have sensitive skin, then you should only scrub your face for about 1 to 2 minutes. I am absolutely loving how the scrub has worked on my skin, because literally my skin feels so smooth. It's like almost slippery smooth. It feels really nice. Once the exfoliation is done, it's a very good idea to add something very nourishing and something very rich to your skin. I'm really glad that they have included a nourishing cream for step number 3. It has like a very light sort of a gel sort of texture to it. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, my neck as well. Like, I haven't been getting enough sleep these days, and whenever I compromise on my sleep, I immediately get acne on my chin. Really annoying. Moving on to step number 4, and this is like one of the most important parts of any facial. So this is basically the massage cream. So I'm just going to apply the cream generously over my skin and try to keep some water nearby so that you can wet your fingers whenever you feel the product is drying out. And this massage cream has a really nice slippery texture, so it makes job really easy. And whenever I'm massaging my face, I like to start with my neck first. That's because I like doing the lymph drainage massage. I don't know if you've heard of it, but lymph drainage massage is also very beneficial, not just for your skin but for your overall health as well. So you can definitely check it out on Google if you're interested. Now, massaging your face is very important because it will really improve the blood circulation, and that can really really benefit your skin. It could help with fine lines, wrinkles, sagging and aging skin. If you have dull skin, it's really going to pump up the blood to your face and make it really glowy and instantly brighten up your skin. So try to massage your face at least once or twice every month. Wow, I already feel super relaxed and I can feel my face has warmed up a bit. You can definitely do this massage for 15 to 20 minutes. The more the better. Or you can also just do it for 5 to 10 minutes a day if you don't have a lot of time. I just rinsed my face nicely with some lukewarm water and my skin feels amazing. Can you see that? So next we have step number 5, and that is applying a face mask. And today we have the vitamin mask by Pond's. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my skin using my fingers. So this face mask has clay, glycerin, vitamin E and B3 in it, which are all great properties for the skin. So I just rinsed my face with some lukewarm water. Though it was a clay mask, it does not feel dry at all. That's because I think the mask has glycerin and vitamin E in it, which are very, very moisturizing for the skin. And the final step to any facial routine is to finish off with a nice moisturizing cream. And this one claims to have vitamin B3 and 12 in it, which is great for adding that instant glow and giving you that really nice bright glowy look. As you can see, my skin instantly looks and feels so much more brighter. They say that the effects of a facial is much more visible the next day, but I can already see such a big difference in my skin. So I would highly recommend this to all of you guys out there who are on the lookout for a very affordable yet very effective facial kit. And this is also very, very travel friendly. You can definitely carry this with you whenever you're traveling. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found something new. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.